My name's Daryl Coonan. I'm from Darwin, Northern Territory. I chose Alex because he seemed pretty genuine and really invested in my success in Amazon. So that's why I chose Alex. Well, there's been a wealth of knowledge that's been bestowed on us this weekend. There's been quite a bit. But the main thing I'll probably take away from this weekend is just the goal setting around setting up your Amazon business. Absolutely, I'll be recommending this to all my friends and family, especially a lot of my friends that are in the 9-to-5 grind and who would be looking to set up a side hustle or even look to leave their job if they wanted to work from home.